When I explain to people that it is necessary to seek our own path with our own resources, they tell me that what I'm saying doesn't apply to everyone, that not everyone can be independent or entrepreneurial. What is strange and different is that what they are doing doesn't make sense relying solely on job hunting, because supposedly they have no other choice. I find it very risky to have only one source of income. Now, things are very different. Jobs are disappearing or no longer offering enough to live decently, and that is very worrying. More and more people are looking for alternatives to supplement what they earn, and you've probably experienced this at some point in your life. Today, almost 30% of the global workforce is self-employed. The novelty lies in how quickly you can start a business today and reach customers. The process of starting is faster and cheaper than it was 20 years ago. In this new economic landscape, the importance of leveraging digital tools and platforms cannot be overstated. The internet has democratized access to global markets, allowing entrepreneurs to reach customers across the world with minimal investment. Whether through e-commerce, digital marketing, or online services, the opportunities to create and grow a business are more accessible than ever. Utilizing social media, search engine optimization, and other online marketing strategies can exponentially increase your visibility and customer base. Moreover, the gig economy has emerged as a significant component of the modern workforce. Freelancing platforms, ride-sharing apps, and other gig-based services offer flexible employment opportunities that can be tailored to individual schedules and preferences. This shift not only provides a safety net for those transitioning between jobs, but also encourages the development of diverse skill sets. By engaging in gig work, individuals can explore various industries, gain valuable experience, and potentially discover new career paths that align with their passions and talents. Finally, fostering a mindset of continuous innovation and learning is crucial for long-term success. As technology and market demands evolve, staying ahead requires a commitment to personal and professional growth. Enrolling in online courses, attending industry conferences, and participating in professional development workshops can keep your skills sharp and relevant. Additionally, seeking mentorship and building a strong network of peers can provide invaluable insights and support as you navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. By embracing these strategies, you can adapt to changing circumstances and seize the opportunities that arise in this dynamic economic environment. No one gets rich working for others, and it is necessary for you to understand this once and for all. An employee, for example, earns by the hour. By time, it's like renting out your mind for a few hours every day. And since your time is limited, your earnings are also limited. When your time is up, so are the chances of earning more money. What I'm suggesting is that you change your way of thinking and start thinking about charging for results. People who really make money work on their own projects and manage their time as they see fit. Get out of the trap called the rat race and create a successful business. To break free from the confines of traditional employment, start by identifying your passions and skills that can be transformed into a profitable venture. This might involve turning a hobby into a business, leveraging professional expertise to offer consulting services, or creating innovative products that meet a market need. By aligning your work with your interests, you not only enhance your chances of success, but also ensure greater personal satisfaction and motivation. Financial independence often requires a strategic approach to managing and growing your wealth. This includes diversifying your income streams through investments, passive income sources, and side hustles. For instance, investing in real estate, stocks, or mutual funds can provide additional revenue while you build your business. Passive income from royalties, affiliate marketing, or digital products can also supplement your earnings, reducing reliance on a single source of income and increasing financial security. Another critical aspect of achieving entrepreneurial success is cultivating resilience and a growth mindset. Building a business is inherently risky and filled with uncertainties, but those who persevere through setbacks are the ones who ultimately succeed. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, advisors, and peers who can provide guidance and encouragement. By staying adaptable and persistent, you can navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship and move closer to your financial and personal goals. Creating a successful business takes time, maybe months, maybe years, especially when it comes to profits. It can take decades for a startup to reach the point of generating a lot of profit. A crucial aspect of business that we need to understand is that even if a company does not generate profit initially, it still has value. This is because value is determined by the profits the company will generate over its lifetime. PayPal is a particularly appropriate example for this case. In its early days in 2001, the company did not generate any profit. When the value of the company was calculated at that time, it was found that most of that value would come from the expected profits in the following 10 years. Another important factor in building a successful business is the ability to adapt to market changes and customer needs. The business landscape is constantly evolving, and companies must be agile and responsive to stay relevant. This involves continuously monitoring industry trends, gathering feedback from customers, and being willing to pivot your business model when necessary. By staying attuned to the market and being flexible, you can better position your business for long-term success and growth. In addition to adaptability, effective financial management is critical for the sustainability of any business. This means not only securing initial funding but also managing cash flow wisely and planning for future investments. Entrepreneurs should have a clear understanding of their financials, including revenue projections, expenses, and profit margins. Unlock wealth in 90 days with the wisdom of a 7,000-year-old wizard. The Wealth Wizard's Secrets to be rich. Achieving wealth in 90 days helps you overcome limiting beliefs, reprogram your mind, and set clear goals. This transformative guide, packed with motivational stories and practical exercises, is your path to prosperity. Get it now for the promotional price, available only today. Click on the pinned comment link and start your journey to wealth now. Seeking advice from financial experts and using tools for budgeting and financial planning can help ensure that your business remains financially healthy and capable of weathering economic fluctuations. Building a strong company culture is also essential for long-term success. A positive and inclusive workplace environment can attract top talent, boost employee morale, and enhance productivity. Focus on creating a culture that aligns with your business values and mission and foster an atmosphere of collaboration and innovation. Empower your team by providing opportunities for professional development and recognizing their contributions. A motivated and engaged workforce is a key driver of business success and can significantly impact your company's ability to achieve its goals. To be at the top of our industry from the start, we must prepare for the long-term battle. And it is precisely this preparation that makes a business profitable. Ideas do not materialize on their own. Nothing is as detrimental as thinking that by having an idea that could enrich you, you must keep it in a box of secrets. The truth is that it is impossible for it to endure over time without being put into action. For example, Steve Jobs took it upon himself to turn Apple into the world's most valuable company by following a rigorous plan that aligned with his vision. In 2001, when Jobs returned after being fired in 1997, he began the campaign to launch the iPod. Many analysts and economists underestimated it as a simple accessory full of secrets. When it was revealed that Jobs' true plan was to launch the iPhone and iPad, it began the popular line of portable devices. The lesson is that above all, the most successful companies depend to a large extent on the vision of their founders to achieve their full potential. Ideas are not kept, they are put into action with the necessary people to execute them. Get out of the trap and achieve the life you deserve. The best advice I've ever heard is if opportunities don't come to you, then create your own opportunities. If you are attentive in this video, comment like this: I create my own opportunities. When I see your comment, I'll give you a little heart. Creating your own opportunities suggests the idea that the future is not predicted, it is invented. Currently, there are more opportunities than ever in human history. The appearance of problems and crises with which our society presents itself is deceptive. It's amazing that there are economic problems with the abundance of things to do in the world. There is a lot of work, but there are no traditional jobs. Do you see the difference? Unemployment is a problem of myopia, not a real shortage of work. Our challenge is to sharpen our vision to be able to see opportunities where we do not see them. People may see many problems, but they do not identify the opportunities behind them because they do not look like traditional jobs. Successful people are continually turning problems into opportunities. The appearance of problems and crises with which our society presents itself is deceptive. It's amazing that there are economic problems despite the abundance of opportunities in the world. There is an abundance of work available, but the landscape has shifted away from traditional job structures. This shift challenges us to rethink our approach to employment and entrepreneurship. Instead of solely seeking traditional employment, consider how you can leverage your skills and passions to create value in unconventional ways. Unemployment is often misunderstood as a scarcity of jobs, but it's more accurately a failure to recognize and seize emerging opportunities. In today's interconnected world, technological advancements, globalization, and changing consumer preferences are creating new avenues for innovation and enterprise. Those who adapt and innovate find themselves at the forefront of industries that didn't exist a decade ago. By cultivating a mindset that embraces change and innovation, you can uncover opportunities that others overlook. Successful entrepreneurs excel not just by solving existing problems, but by anticipating future needs and challenges. They possess a keen ability to identify gaps in the market and develop solutions that resonate with consumers. This forward-thinking approach allows them to stay ahead of the curve and maintain relevance in dynamic market environments. Whether it's through disruptive technologies, sustainable practices, or novel business models, entrepreneurs who innovate pave the way for economic growth and societal progress. Resilience plays a pivotal role in transforming setbacks into stepping stones for success. Challenges and failures are inevitable in any entrepreneurial journey. However, it's how you respond to adversity that defines your trajectory. Embrace failures as learning opportunities, pivot when necessary, and persevere in pursuit of your goals. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, peers, and collaborators who can offer guidance and encouragement during challenging times. By maintaining a resilient mindset and adapting to changing circumstances, you can navigate uncertainties and thrive in today's competitive landscape. Crises, I repeat, all of them, are a call for change, for transformation. It is a great opportunity that cannot be wasted a necessary evil. Those who do not see the opportunity in their crisis are doomed to suffer them intensely, but those who see the opportunity enter a dimension where not only will they do better, but they will also develop a mentality for which simply problems do not exist. Every loss hides the seed of a gain for those who turn their defeats into victories. Then, every time you lose, please win. The ability to harness adversity as a springboard for innovation and improvement is a hallmark of successful individuals and organizations. Instead of viewing crises as insurmountable obstacles, they approach them as strategic inflection points for reinvention and renewal. By embracing a mindset of proactive problem-solving and creativity, entrepreneurs can turn challenges into competitive advantages. This may involve exploring new markets, diversifying product offerings, or enhancing operational efficiencies to better navigate turbulent times and position themselves for sustainable growth. Crises foster a culture of continuous learning and adaptation that is crucial in today's fast-paced world. As industries evolve and consumer behaviors shift, businesses must remain agile and responsive to stay ahead of the curve. Investing in ongoing education, professional development, and innovation initiatives enables entrepreneurs to stay abreast of industry trends, anticipate future challenges, and capitalize on emerging opportunities. By fostering a culture of innovation and resilience, businesses can not only survive crises but thrive in the face of uncertainty, driving meaningful impact and long-term success. If you've watched this far, comment like this: "I make money solving problems." If you comment, I'll know you're a dedicated person and watched it until the end. After you comment, subscribe to the channel and click on some video that is appearing on your screen right now. I'm happy to see you here. Until next time.